GoMining's liquidity pools enables users to provide liquidity for trading on decentralized exchanges, facilitating seamless token swaps and offering participants the opportunity to earn rewards. Understanding liquidity pools. In the GoMining ecosystem, liquidity pools are powered by PancakeSwap. These pools consist of pairs of tokens, such as GOMINING and USDT, locked by users. By contributing to these pools, liquidity providers ensure there's sufficient liquidity for trading activities on decentralized exchanges. In return, they earn a share of the trading fees generated from transactions within the pool. How to participate? To add liquidity to GoMining's pools, you'll need a compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet connected to the Binance Smart Chain network, and you'll need GoMining tokens. You'll also need USDT tokens and a small amount of BNB to cover the transaction fees. Once you've connected to your wallet to the GoMining platform, navigate to the liquidity section, select the GoMining/USDT pair, and follow the prompts to deposit your tokens into the pool. Earnings and rewards. As a liquidity provider, you earn in two primary ways. The first way is trading fees. You receive a portion of trading fees proportional to your share of the liquidity pool. The second is GoMining rewards. Additional rewards are distributed based on a leaderboard system that considers the amount of fees earned and the duration your liquidity remains in the pool. A portion of weekly GoMining emissions, which is 10%, is allocated to liquidity providers through a voting system. In the end, by participating in GoMining's liquidity pools, you contribute to the platform's trading ecosystem and have opportunities to earn passive income through trading fees and additional rewards. Seems to me like that is a win-win.